Hi, Samantha. Hello. Hi, Samantha. Hello.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Samantha Uncut, where I discuss celebrity news, hot topics, reality TV, and so much more. All commentary is alleged and, in my opinion, and for entertainment purposes only. Happy Sunday, my loves. I hope you all are having an amazing Sunday, an amazing evening, morning, wherever you are. I'm back with another video, but this one is about Dusty. I know you guys have probably heard already about the update that happened on the court case between her and Laberrick, but I just want to quickly report on it because, as I said before, when it comes to Dusty Destiny, I will be reporting on the court updates because of the false allegations that she has brought not only on Melody, but also on Laberrick, and we're gonna get into it. So if you haven't watched my previous video, please go back and watch that video where I talked about Laberrick being arrested for DV harassing communication, and then they had to go back to court on Friday, the 28th of February. So this video is based on the update from their court case that happened on Friday. So that court case was for the protection order that Destiny had asked for from the judge, and also the protection order for her and Law. So Destiny had previously accused Laberrick of DV, and she had asked the judge for the protection order for her and her son. And within that order, she had mentioned that, Laberrick had allegedly attacked her at one of her exchanges, their weekly exchanges. And she also mentioned a situation where Laberrick allegedly harmed Law, where he was shaken. She also mentioned another situation that is a third party offense where Laberrick allegedly attacked his girlfriend or his ex-girlfriend. But anyways, fast forward to the court update on Friday, February 28th. It is being alleged that, and shout out to Caramel Rel because I got this information from her. She broke this story and she was the first one to announce this update. So allegedly what happened in court on Friday is that Destiny arrived to court. She picked up Law because, Laberrick brought Law to the courthouse as he was requested to do so by the judge. This was his week with Law, or last week was his week with Law. So he brought him to the courthouse as he was requested to do. Destiny picked him up and she was holding on to him for dear life. Allegedly, that's what happened. She started crying hysterically. She was not letting him go. She was trying to get into actress mode because y'all know that Destiny went to acting school in LA. So she has said she's an actress. So she got into acting mode where she was just pretending to be so scared for her life, so scared of Laberrick. She was so scared for Law's life. And the judge saw right through her. The judge allegedly asked her to put the baby down because he's able to walk. And I guess the judge did this because I think she wanted to see the interaction between Law and Laberrick and Destiny. Like, was Law afraid of his father? Was he afraid of his mother? I think that's the reason why they had asked for the baby to be in court, because I don't really see another reason as to why the baby would be asked to be brought into court. I think the judge just wanted to see the interaction. And the judge told her that basically her claims for the protection order is dismissed altogether because she has no proof of any of the claims that she is claiming that of DV against her. There is no proof of that. So the case has been dismissed completely against him. Destiny and her father were in court. And again, Destiny's father is terminally ill. I'm not sure why she keeps dragging her dad to court, but allegedly he arrived late to court. Destiny was already at court, but her father arrived a little bit later to court. The judge allegedly asked Destiny and her father to stay back while Laberrick was told to take law, and he's able to leave the courthouse with law. It's alleged that Destiny have this habit of being up in Laberrick's space and following him and doing all these crazy things. So the judge asked her and her father to stay back while Laberrick was able to leave the courthouse after the decision was made that the case for protection order was dismissed. Destiny was allegedly still saying to the judge that she fears for her life. So the judge asked her, how does she fear for her life when Laberrick is not a threat to her or the child? There was no response to that, allegedly. Again, all this information is alleged because I was not there at the courthouse. This information is coming from another content creator who released this information and had exclusive tea based on what happened at the courthouse. So if this information is wrong and Destiny would like to correct this narrative or correct the information, she can provide the official court transcript, you know, the one that the clerk types when the judge is talking, that one. I don't want to hear nothing else other than the official court transcript or court documents that prove otherwise, because I won't be believing nothing that Destiny says, because she is a liar, in my opinion. Destiny was also allegedly reprimanded for keeping law away from Laberrick for the 9 days during his custody time. The judge allegedly reprimanded her for that, but there is no official order as yet made regarding whether or not she will be spending any jail time for contempt. I believe they have another court case coming up where all that decision will be made regarding the contempt for the child custody and for the $20,000 that Destiny is owing Laberrick. But on Friday, though, Laberrick's attorney did put in a motion to appoint a guardian ad litem, that is the lawyer for the child. So Laberrick is requesting that Law have his own lawyer, and this information is coming from Wente Talks. She had the official court documents as well as some other documents that were filed. I'll link both Caramel and Wente Talk channel in the description box for reference. But the document, the motion to appoint guardian ad litem, reads that the plaintiff, who is Laberrick, states by way of his lawyer, it says that this is a contempt and modification action. The defendant, who is the mother, who is Destiny, recently filed another protection from AB action against the father. After a short hearing on the matter on February 28th, 2025, the court denied the mother's petition for the PFA order. During said PFA hearing, the court advised that a guardian ad litem was due to be appointed in the above action, and that the lawyer Sharon Doviet acted as the guardian ad litem in the first modification action, and that the same lawyer understands the history between the parties as it relates to the minor child, and that the father understands that the decision with regards to the appointment of the guardian ad litem rests solely with the court. So it also says, wherefore the plaintiff father moves the court to enter an order appointing a guardian ad litem to represent the interests of the minor child in this action. So that was the motion that was filed by Laberrick's lawyer. So he wants to have a separate lawyer for just law because of the allegations that were brought against him regarding him being law. So the guardian ad litem works solely in the interest of the child. That person doesn't have anything to do with the mom or dad. They work solely on behalf of the child. So they will have conversation with the child to find out how things are going, what's happening, and all of that, and to see whether or not the child is being AB'd by either parent. And they make decisions moving forward based on what the guardian ad litem says. So that is a quick update on this case. We're going to stay tuned and keep an eye out for any other updates with regards to the upcoming criminal case that is against Destiny, because there's still that open criminal case that is against her for the identity theft. And now we have the motion filed by Laberrick where he wants an additional 45 days for her in jail due to the contempt. So we're going to see if there's any updates on that and whether or not she is going to be facing any jail time for the contempt on both court cases. I wonder if she's going to talk about this case tomorrow on her Melody Mondays. I highly doubt it because she is a liar. In my opinion, she's a liar, and she is going to try to deflect, or she's just going to cancel the live for tomorrow because she doesn't want anyone asking any questions about what happened, and she's not going to address her behavior. And we all know that Dion is not going to address it as well because Dion is her enabler. Dion is assisting her in her behavior. In my opinion, Dion is giving her bad advice and bad therapy. So yeah, Dion is life coaching her into a jail cell, in my opinion. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video.